Hey everybody, today we're going to make coffee French toast, but for lunch. Alright, let's get started. You'll need 1 extra large egg. Go ahead and crack that right into the bowl. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of instant espresso or coffee, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Give it a little mix and then throw it all in. Get a nonstick pan on the lowest heat setting. Now start melting some butter. That's about a tablespoon, that looks right. Back to the bowl. Beat your egg mixture until it's nice and thin. Take your thick slices of bread and dip them into the bowl for just a second on each side. And using your fork, gently lower your 2 slices of bread into the pan. Wait 4 minutes and give your bread its first flip. I was impatient and flipped after only 2 minutes, but you can see it's already starting to toast. After another 4 minutes, flip the bread like it's really difficult or something, and then shut up and listen to this next part real carefully. Lesson of the day: I might lie to you, but your fork don't lie. Nothing goes with French toast like toasted French fries. Start searing your Chinese sausage and dust the toast with powdered sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. Drain your sausage on a paper towel and clean your pan. Because now we're going to cook some honey syrup. This is honey in hot water. Pour it in the pan on high heat and keep stirring or it'll boil over. Don't forget to scrape the sides, and when it's as thick as you like it, turn off the heat and put most of it back in the jar. Drizzle the rest over your French toast and brunch is served. Nothing says global pandemic quite like stay-at-home fusion.